Back while the British Prime Minister meets with the President, the markets and the investment community are also set to meet with her. Let's cross over now to the exchange and get the views of the market traders on this visit. Let's talk to Rotimi Fakayejo. Good morning, Rotimi. So tell me, how optimistic is the market on Theresa May's visit?
Well, incidentally, the market is up this morning. We've traded over close to £1 billion value, and the Osha index is up at 0.08%. This is quite unprecedented as compared to other days that we've had in the week, whereby at this time very marginal volume would have been done. But I think there is something positive coming on the way.
Market community, that includes yourself. You plan to meet with Theresa May later today. What message do you think the investing public have for her?
Well, I think there has been some slowdown in UK investments in Nigeria in recent years. And I think they've come to realization that China is actually taking the hold of Africa. And basically, they are being left out. So I believe everyone is making frantic efforts. I won't be surprised if Germany and one other major African country should come next, because we've seen France, and when our president has been with Trump some times back. So I believe strongly that there is something very positive about Nigeria. And this kind of visit as well is a good one for us, because it will put Nigeria better in a better perspective for investors to come over and really add more value to our economy.
And we know that the NSE and the London Stock Exchange have some relationship. What level of cross-border listing, would you like to see after this visit?
Well, I think we'll be able to see more. We've had some of our companies listed on the London Stock Exchange, but we now have their own companies listed here. So there's been talk by the CEO of NSC over time with the CEO of LSC. But I think with this visit, such discussion will be better broadened, and I'm very sure, begin to see more positive results in not too long from now.
All right. Thank you very much for your time, Rotimi Fakayejo.